Pretty much what I'm doing is spraying the whole top with simple green, and then on the hard oily parts, that's where I'm gonna go over it with my hand, um, just to work it in there. This attachment has a little brush, but I feel like when you just do that with your hand, it works a lot better. Just based on the other areas that I've already cleaned up, and this is the third time I'm cleaning this top, and I'm just getting it ready so that I can use the Renovo dye for it. So after the first two times of cleaning, I was actually satisfied with the passenger side. And just over on this side, there's some stubborn oil spots. So focus more on this side. And later on, I'm going to be hosing it off, making sure that all of the simple green is gone. So got going on here. And it actually looks a lot better than when I first started with just cleaning. It was suggested by a buddy of mine who prepares convertible tops for restoration. See, over here it's a little bit sticky. I can feel that there's some sort of grease still right there, and you can actually see it when it's not wet. But some want to do a brush. There you go. You can see the color change right there. This is where the grease line is, and there you go. So I'm just gonna keep rubbing this top until all of the grease, or a majority of the grease, comes out, and then I'm gonna suck it out, and I'm gonna see how much of that stuff is gonna stay on, if I even need to dye it. But the Renovo Reviver is already on the way, and see, that's the grime that I'm trying to get out of this line over here, and you can actually feel the fabric a lot better. See, and just using my palm with the glove, it's not scratching the convertible top. So it's going to be a long video, pretty much just talking through what I'm doing with this top, and then maybe on the part 2 of the video you guys will see what I'm trying to explain with this. And for the most part, the whole top is already washed off. See, there's a little grease spot right there. And then there should be one right here, one right here, a couple more everywhere else. I'm just trying to get it so that I can dye it. So just right there's a nice grease spot, and then over here too is a nice grease spot that I could probably just work off with my hand. And then we could try this Power Scrub XL. My other attachment actually works a lot better, and I'll probably end up using that. But that's just to get some of the degreaser out. That's actually all degreaser with no water, or I could brush it out as well. Just like that. I don't want to brush it too much because I don't want to damage the top. But on the hard part, you can. But pretty much, that's what it is. Yeah, I don't know why this thing is not working, but there you go. And then I'm just gonna keep on doing this over and over and over until I'm satisfied. See, this is where that grease spot is, in the middle, and when I hit it with the suction, you can see how dirty it is. But for the most part, BMW Z4, that's what I'm doing with it. Hope this video was helpful. Let me know what you guys like to do.